track, everybody. Rare occasion. Rare occasion. Well, it's not so rare to see him at the track, but to see that at the track is a rare occasion. Where are we at tonight?
We're at Mooresville tonight.
704 Outlaws.
704.
We've got you. We've got another Camaro over here. Come off the dyno yesterday. Get you all ready for a couple test passes right here. And I believe you both are going to jump in the modern class.
We're going to jump in, see what we can do.
You going to call anybody out first round, or?
I don't know. First time down the track, so.
You really ain't lying, guys. I'm not going to say I've seen him go down the track. I kind of have.
Yeah.
But that's classified. The car has been down the track.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way. The car has been down the track, but this one here, yeah, we're going to, some of you guys will probably really appreciate this. We finally did get him at the track, and he's actually going to make some test passes and jump in the class and race. So let's get him down there and get him going. Here we go, first round of a modern. These guys done got a couple of test passes in, as you can see there, and it's kind of interesting when we draw the first round right here. No, that's not the grabber blue coyote that y'all are used to seeing. Yeah, you do.
Do I talk about my problem?
Your rare occasion at the track, you made it through first round modern, but you were quick enough to think, hey, it wasn't working, let off, just bump on in.
Yep.
Go ahead and give us a little insight on that.
So I was trying to bump in, and it wasn't working. I was pushing, and it wouldn't move. And I was thinking about trying not to burn the other guy down.
Right.
You know, so I just let out, rolled into it, and I tried to get back on the trans brake. It was too late. He already got me about a 60, and about 60 foot come back and drove around him. It felt good, but it was It's slow.
Right. And like I said, you got a couple test passes in there to begin with, so
Not bad.
seeing where you stand actually with the car, getting an actual time with the car.
Yeah.
So that's a big thing. So I think we
That was fun.
probably got you hooked one
That's
night.
fun.
One night. It's like a hooker. One night and you're hooked.
Yeah. One night. But it was fun. I enjoyed it. We'll see who we draw around two.
Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. So you.
Yeah.
Your car just come off the dyno there at the shop, made some pretty good numbers,
Yes, sir.
and basically it's your first outing with the car since new build
Yeah.
and
Bunch of issues.
everything you had to go through, and you got a couple test passes in yourself,
Yes, sir.
and you draw the buy right there.
I got lucky. I needed that. Yes, sir.
Well, you went faster,
I went faster. I went
so
faster.
that's a good
on
problem.
8th mile, and I went faster to the 60. So that's
So
all
now,
good things.
like I said, you just had to buy, so I mean, it would be nice if somebody else would draw the buy, that it'd be you two in the finals.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And then that means if you two are in the finals,
Two Carolina cars.
somebody's buying me Texas Roadhouse.
Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah.
Winter buys it. You're going to be buying it.
Winter, okay.
It's a win-win situation here. You see how that works?
Winter buys it.
But either way, win or lose, you both come out and done good with your
Very
cars. And,
satisfied with the way my car doing for sure.
and we know yours is going to get a lot faster. We know you're definitely going to, because,
Your car is a lot faster. You got no business racing.
well, we've got a couple things up the sleeve for this one over here. So, yeah, he just don't know it yet.
He just don't know. Mine needs to get a lot faster. Just fast for right now.
Well, let's get you guys ready for the next round. See how this plays out right here. All right, here we go. Next round, modern. You draw another blue Mustang. Right lane, going to the finals. All right, here we go. You draw the buy. How's it feel to be first time at the track in the finals?
Very good.
By the way, it's this guy in the finals.
I'm in the final too.
Two Carolina cars.
That's a good problem.
That's a good problem.
Yeah, for you.
So what were we talking about earlier?
My mind went blank.
No idea.
Oh, two Carolina cars in the finals.
Well, yeah, that and
That.
Texas Roadhouse. But anyway,
Texas Roadhouse.
so how you feel about this? Seriously, first.
It's fun. I like it. Might have to do it again.
Definitely.
I am buying a lottery ticket.
Might have to buy one.
It's good for you too.
Yeah, it's a good
Like I
day.
said, first outing for your car with a new setup, going
No
to the
problems
finals.
so far. Thank God. Jesus Christ.
It's tough. It's tough.
This thing fighting me all my life anyway.
I know somebody over there was talking about a 3/4 racing cam or something a minute ago, but you know, anyway.
Racing cam.
Yeah. Hey, come over here and tell us about that small block 350. I don't think you are. He's a little cameras guy, ain't he?
Oh, he ain't coming. You might well forget that.
So, but good luck to both of you in the finals right here.
Yes, sir.
My money's on a Camaro, so it's a safe bet.
Safe bet.
So,
Just don't pick a color.
or the whichever lane, just say my money's on a Camaro. So we'll get you two ready and get you down here and see what happens.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go, modern finals.
do you feel about that? It's like a mirror image of you and your car.
Soon enough.
Soon enough. Here he comes.